York County teenage murder suspect Nolan Grove took to the stand in his trial today, offering more insight into the 2023 death of his classmate. Fox 43's Sydney Nauman was at the courthouse today and shares the series of events that led to the death of 12-year-old Kain Heiland.
Seated behind the witness stand on Friday, 15-year-old Nolan Grove gave his testimony of the night his classmate and longtime best friend Kain Heiland was fatally shot. Leading up to the April 1, 2023 shooting, evidence shows Grove and his friends going back and forth between Grove's house and his friend's house several times. During one of the stops at Grove's house after his father and stepmother were gone, Grove admitted he unlocked one of his father's gun safes and removed a firearm. He added that action was probably the dumbest thing I've done, opening a firearms case when I knew I wasn't supposed to. Grove admitted this wasn't the first time he had opened the safe and removed firearms without his father's knowledge, but claims he didn't know the gun was loaded at the time. The boys proceeded to walk around town with the gun that night. One of Grove's friends who witnessed the shooting testified that Grove had often carried around his dad's gun to show off and pointed it at his friends, including Heiland, multiple times before the shooting. Grove responded, yes, that was a terrible mistake. But it wasn't until later, when the boys were going back to Grove's house, the mistake turned fatal. Grove describes the path the boys took through his neighbor's property as dark and difficult to see, and he decided to use the gun's laser as a flashlight. That's when Grove says the gun went off. Despite hearing the shot and his friend scream, he describes being confused about what happened. Earlier testimony showed Grove had prior knowledge of gun safety rules and experience using BB guns. Now the jury must determine Grove's level of recklessness in the case to convict him of either third-degree murder or involuntary manslaughter charges. The case will resume on Monday morning, where the York County District Attorney's Office will get the chance to question Grove. Sydney Nauman, Fox 43 News.